How to search along your route with the DriveSmart 66. I did receive a comment recently, which I replied to, where someone asked, can I search gas stations along my route? And I did answer, but then I thought about it. I said, technically I was correct in the way that I answered it, but I thought, kind of complicated. There has got to be an easier way. And I found one, so this is what I'm going to show to you now. Let us create a route first. So right now I am here, and I'm just going to create a route that goes to the airport. So go to Apps, Route Planner, and create a brand new route. Okay, so first I will search where I am now. Ordinarily you select home, but I'm just right here. We'll just say I'm starting from here. Select, okay, and then search again, category, and transit airport. Okay, Dallas Fort Worth International, north entrance. What else we got? Terminal A arrival. What else we got? Terminal A. Terminal B. Yeah, I got a lot of them here. What's this last one? Terminals, yeah, it's arrival. Well, I'll just go pick the first one. Excuse me. Yeah, that one. Select, make a route. Very good. Okay, and right now I will save it. Okay, we're gonna delete some of that. Ooh, I didn't want that in capitals. T-O space forward. Done. Okay. Now, at this point, let me just go back. So I've got this strip saved. So I'm just going to go. And we'll just start from the beginning. Okay. Start. Right. Let me just mute this before it starts talking to me. There we go. Here is how to do it. Fortunately, it was easier than I thought. Hit this menu over here and do up ahead. Now, before we even do anything here, just tap any one of these and the wrench and make sure gas stations is there. Okay. Now, the nice part about this, now we haven't started yet, and that's okay. Don't have to. We'll do gas stations. This is where it's nice because it will tell you where the gas stations are along the route. See how it says around the beginning? So if I just keep going down, aha, there's the one near the next part, and near the next part, and near the next part. And if I pick any one of these and hit I, it shows where on the map it is. Okay, good. So now if I just go down a bit, you can see where I am by this little, see that little gray marker over here? Yeah, that says like where in the trip I am. So let's just say it's about halfway through the trip, right about there. Okay, and I want that one. Go. And I can add it to the active route. Okay, so there it is. So I start from here. Actually, no. Now what I have to do is drag this down one. I think that's the way it, yeah. So start from here, then to here, then to here, and I believe I will get the desired result. So let's go take a look at the entire trip. Yes. Okay, so I started from here, then to here, then... That's not exactly halfway, though, is it? Let's try again. Stop. You're learning with me. Consider it like that. Okay, go to Route Planner again. Okay, right. Go. We'll just do closest entry point this time around. Maybe that's where I got things wrong. Yeah, I did, because I wanted to start from the absolute start. Okay, start. Simulate, no. I'll wait to see if anything shows up. Oh, okay, now it's showing stuff. Yeah, that's what I should have done. Alright, so this... Oh, I just realized I can do this thing. Ah, there we go. Okay, so I can actually follow along the route. Oh, this is better. Yeah, okay. Good. That means I can back up a bit. Oh, beautiful. Okay, so if I wanted something, let's back up even more. We'll just say, like right around here. See what I can find. There might not be anything there, so I'll have to follow along. Yep, I'm not seeing any icons. So let's go back up this way. Now I know there's some around here somewhere along the expressway. Unless I have to reload it, which I might have to. Let's go back over here. Okay, near Main Street. Yeah, I want to go about halfway through. Oh, maybe it technically was halfway through. Right. Yeah, because then there's that long stretch on the highway. Oh, okay. So this actually was correct. But anyway, let's just pick that one. See where it is. Okay, it's there. And go. Add to active. There we go. This is what I wanted to see. From start to here to here. Yes. Your experience with this, you're going to have to do the same thing. You have to experiment with it just to see what works for you. So, okay, let's go here, here. Yep, right around the same spot. Okay. Now from here, what I can do is go back over to apps, to the route planner and my active route, and then save it. So I want this. Save. And okay, yep, first go, will it overwrite? Oh, no. You have to choose another name. Do. That works. And then I can delete this one. Yeah. And then rename this one to get rid of the two. Done. Oh, I gotta back out first, that's right. Technically still in memory. Stop. Apps. Route. Yes. Rename. Delete. Done. There we are. Okay. And now I have something with my stop. So like I said, you're learning with me on this one. The point is that when you are in a route, when the route is active, then you can bring up this menu here and then go to up ahead and see gas stations along the route like this. And this is following the route. So it's good. I don't know if I'll have to make another video on this, but at least, you know, that is the way of doing it. Also, can you do this with older models like the 2699? The answer is yes, but the process is a little different. So that will probably Yeah, if not definitely be the video right after this one. So there you go. Now we have a way to select gas stations along a route.